Red is a YSL Beauty classic, and until now, we have mostly seen it on the lips. But today, we're gonna put it on the eyes.
I love this foundation.
And you know what is the best applicator?
What?
My finger.
Really?
Yes. You dab. This is the way I do it on my hand.
For me, foundation has always been a mission to find the right shade.
If it's sunny, the shade of foundation change because you get a bit of color and your winter foundation is no longer working for your
For the sun,
summer.
yeah, that's it. Because I went on holiday, I went to Cyprus, and I came back and I was a completely different shade. So what's next?
Touche éclat. Either you do it the way I'm doing it now, but if you work with, different people all the time, you put a little bit of touche éclat
The finger
on the
trick.
finger, you grab it, and again, you go with the dabbing. I really want to highlight your eyes because I want the red to pump out. And for me, the next step is always to put a layer of mascara.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, I'll do quick.
Okay. How many seconds was that?
Don't do that. When you do that, is you push air inside, and that's how your mascara gets dry very quickly.
Okay, and get to work. More is more.
To give a power to your eyes, I'm gonna use a black pencil. This is a perfect contrast to red.
I feel powerful already.
This is almost what I call a smoky eyeliner, who I love, because you have the power of the eyeliner and you have the sensuality of smoky eye. We are going to spice up this YSL Classic with a block of color.
I love this
Great.
palette. So you know the finger trick that you do? I do that with like eyeshadows.
I'm gonna use the rouge and the brown
Okay.
that we're gonna put on the outside corner of the eyes. Red on the eyes was totally forbidden for so long.
Really?
Yeah, people were saying, oh, red, no, it looked like the rabbit eyes.
Oh my God.
I think people are gonna catch up and love the power of red. And we are gonna add a peachy shade and a bit of gold.
I think gold is always a must.
Oh my gosh, I love that color. I'm happy.
Oh my God.
Et voilà.
Drop the look.